I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog today. I'm so excited. I think this might be the November box. It came rather late, but I'm still going to review it anyway. Why not? Friends at Briogeo, this is the Scalp Revival, and this is the Rosemary Pre-Wash Oil. Oh my gosh, Briogeo, love Briogeo. I used it on and off, and when it goes on sale, the brand, I try to stock up where I can. So I really appreciate that this is in here. I love this on my scalp, but I don't use it all the time. It does have bits in it. It's a little gritty, so you have to be mindful that this is skin as well, that you don't want to be overly enthusiastic and scratch. But I believe this is the one that has charcoal in it, but this is the Rosemary Pre-Wash Oil. So this might be a different part of the line. The one I'm used to is the actual stuff that comes in the tub and you put it on your scalp. That's amazing. It's gray looking because it has charcoal in it. But I can't wait to try this serum oil. I've never tried that oil. Next thing I see in here is from Origins. Ooh, another nice brand. This is their Ginseng SPF 50. I'm assuming if it says SPF, it's for the face. So what does this do? This is a moisturizer, a daily moisturizer. Fantastic. I'm noticing it's in this orange color, so I'm wondering if there's vitamin C in there as well. It has ginseng. Can't wait to try that. What is this? By Rosie Jane. What is this? It has weight to it. I will post the description here if I don't spell it out here. Could this be a perfume? Could be. Let's see. Beautiful. This is glass. This is not something I would drop. And it has a spray. Oh, it smells like something I've had before. Hello, Amica, love it. This is the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. See, I need this. Right now you see my hair is a little frizzy. That means it needs moisture. I've heard such great things about this brand. I've tried it out a couple of times, different variations of what they have in their product lines, and they also go by color. And I didn't have a really big problem with them. I don't recall having a dissatisfaction on any of them. So this will be interesting to try. I just think also the fact that even though it may come across a little drugstore-like, it's actually a little pricey. So I think that's why I've never really dived into Amica. I hope I'm saying that right. I can't wait to try this. Full size, nice. It has that pump, which I love. Next thing. What is this? Is it mascara? Is it a lipstick? I don't know. This is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Smoky Eye Mascara. Okay. All right. Care to guess what color it might be? Yep, black. Yeah. So I think I will put this aside because lately I've been feeling using more of a brown mascara because it's less severe on the eyes. Least severe looking for those like me with the lighter hair and the skin tone. This is what it looks like. The packaging looks very sexy. Very, very sexy. I don't want to open it because once you open mascara, I've mentioned this several times before, once you open it, it's basically like a ticking time bomb in the sense that it starts to dry out immediately when the product gets into contact with air or air gets introduced into the packet. So it dries out faster. So I want to avoid that. And I won't open it now, but if I find photos of what the applicator looks like, I will put it somewhere here. You see that? And it's from a company, TYS Beauty. I don't think I've heard of them before. This is a setting powder. I don't know if you can see that. Angel Face Setting Powder, a super soft sheer setting powder for angel face skin. I don't think I've heard of LYS, but TYS? Let me know in the comments below if you've heard of this brand and what you think in the comments below. This is the packaging, in case you were wondering. And it looks like the lettering, the T, is embossed on the plastic itself. I mean, again, I'll put the pricing on here. It's plastic, it's not, it doesn't give that luxe experience at all, but why can't I open this? Oh, we'll see why. There we go. Gentle, gentle. And there we go. I don't know what makes this brand extraordinary, but I will be trying it out. That's the whole point of subscription boxes, to try out brands and products that maybe you were hesitating to buy because of the price tag, or maybe due to lack of availability, just feels very smooth. Ooh. And that's what it looks like. Ooh. You sure this is setting powder? Okay. Put that there like so. Yeah, it matches my skin tone. But it's very fine, very smooth. Something from Dominique Cosmetics in one of my boxes, but I can't remember what it is. I think it was a blush, but this is a bronzer. Ooh, and this is in light tan. Okay. So you see the color right there on the packaging. And I love the raised DC. Nice to open. It does have a mirror, which I like. Love that. And that's the product right there. That's a cream. I don't even want to put my finger in it because it looks so pretty and so pristine. Maybe I'll put in an upcoming future video. Certainly not least, El Maquillage. I've seen this brand all over the place. I've been kind of chicken about getting the foundation because they have set up that, oh yeah, you could order it and if you like it, you keep it. For some reason, I just kept like I was like nervous. I was like, oh, I'm not sure about this company. You know, it needs to be better established. I wasn't sure, but I kept seeing ads for it. People, influencers using it. Still, I was like, no, I don't know if I can press the button. I don't know. But this, what I got from there is their High Point Bronzer, Blush, and Highlighting Pro Palette. Yes, what better way to find out if a company, and not just talk the talk or walk the walk, but to actually do practically a full face. The only thing I'm missing here is the foundation. Yeah. Hello. Has relative weight, very clean aesthetics. Okay. Gives you their breakdown back there as to what they're about. I'm rather stunned. This is my first time, I think, getting something like this from El Maquillage. Look at how sexy that is. It's embossed. Oof. I mean, I'll be like, oh, I gotta buff this because I'm gonna get my fingerprints all over it. But I don't care. That's good. Okay, let me just show you this real quick. Oh, looks like it got a little bit on here. I don't know. Maybe it's because it's soft. That's pressed in, but it's actually soft. I don't know. But that's the highlighter, definitely. There's a bronzer. There's the blush. I am already dying to get in there and see what's going on. And I love that it has more than one use. And that is my take of apparently the icon box from IPSY BoxyCharm. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you an Ipster? Are you a charmer? Do you get the icon box? Again, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.